everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry if you're new here. In today's video, I will be unboxing the KitchenAid limited edition light and shadow stand mixer with the ceramic bowl. Now, if you have seen some of my previous videos, you will know that I did receive the light and shadow stand mixer with black stainless steel bowl for Christmas from my parents. Unfortunately, it was a dud. It broke during our gingerbread video that we made for Christmas. You can go check that video out if you haven't seen it already. And so we had to return it. And unfortunately, they didn't have the same one available to be replaced. So we were able to get a pretty good discount on this one because it's the same stand mixer. It just has a different bowl. It was quite pricier than the other one. So we were able to drop the price down with some negotiation. So I'm so excited to be unboxing this stand mixer. So let's get to it. So it does come in this box. It's really a box within a box. So I'm just going to grab a knife or scissors and get to opening it. This is it. I'm excited. All right, like the last one did, it came with just this attachment flyer kind of situation. So it shows all the various attachments you can get for your KitchenAid, and then a little information card about the specific light and shadow stand mixer. Now this one is the Artisan Series 5-quart one, so can make like, I don't know, it was like 9 dozen cookies or something like that. I forget the stats, but something along those lines. And it does say, congratulations on your purchase of the KitchenAid limited edition Artisan stand mixer. This stand mixer was thoroughly designed with love and attention for each detail, carefully assembled with precise craftsmanship in limited quantities. So if you want to get your hands on it, you definitely should get it now. But hopefully this one does work for more than 3 uses. Let's see how it goes. Manual is also tucked into the side, but I think I need to put this on the ground because I'm going to put the stand mixer in this corner of the kitchen. Oh, it's heavy. It is heavy, just very heavy. This one's definitely packaged differently than the last one because probably that ceramic bowl needs some more protection. So we got the styrofoam on top and on the sides. I'm just gonna lift it out, I think. Anthony's helping, thank you. We got it out of the box. I just put it on the floor because it's so heavy. I need to like disassemble it over on the floor. This is not as graceful as it should be. All right, we're on the floor now. I'm going to take out the pieces. So we got the beading attachment. This one's different. It's not as coated as the last one. It's like more stainless steel, which I hope the batter will clean easy, but we'll see. The dough hooks on this side and the whisk as well. Now for the main event. I cracked the styrofoam, my bad. We're back to the counter, put my hair up because like that was cardio for the day. I still really don't know how to take this styrofoam out, but oh, there we go. We're being careful with the bowl, not to break it. It's very nice. I mean, I liked the other one better, not gonna lie, because this one's kind of edgy, maybe not completely my style. It is very nice, and at least it's dishwasher safe and looks fancy. Little pamphlet to ensure you're taking care of your bowl correctly. I thought I'd actually look at the quick start guide for the bowl. I did not know that the ceramic bowl is oven safe up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also freezer safe, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. I think I knew the dishwasher part, but that is definitely an advantage to the ceramic bowl versus the stainless steel one, because of course you can't really do much. Also the stainless steel one, once you wash it, you can really see the watermarks on the side. You really gotta buff that thing out and to ensure that it looks as good as new every time you put it on the counter. So that's another thing to note that is really great for the ceramic bowl. One thing I was worried about was the bowl being significantly more heavy and not having a handle. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to break it. Like, there's no replacement for the bowl. I mean, you can get other bowls, which I'll want to do in the future. Maybe like a clear one will be really nice, just so you can see everything in there. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention that. So I noticed there's a little bit of bubbling near here. I don't know.
It's not focused.
Yeah, there we go. We're focused here. So you see that by the 8 and the 10. And so Anthony pointed out there is a plastic thing. I feel like we should wait to take it off just in case it breaks again, but hopefully it won't. So I'm gonna do the ripping. Oh, that's satisfying. Yeah. All the way across. All right, so we got that off. It's like sticking to my fingers from the static. All right, this is the Light and Shadow Stand Mixer with ceramic bowl all set up. It does look great in this kitchen, just the coloring. It is a matte coating. I wouldn't say it's like an off-white color. It is more a taupey, like light beige. It is kind of on the cooler side, but it goes quite well with the cabinets. We've got like off-white kind of cabinets. So it does look very good. The bowl is ceramic. It has these like edges. They remind me of those like bracelets, if you know what I'm saying, from way back when, but it is very gorgeous. It's just not quite my style, but I think it does look great in this kitchen. It is such a statement piece. So I do really like it. Now that I have unboxed the KitchenAid and have it all set up, I'm going to quickly wash the bowl and the attachments and put it to the test. We're gonna be making a shortbread recipe. I've made it before in the last unboxing that I did of the first version that I got. So I know that it's a good recipe. I'll leave the link in the description, but if you'd like to bake with me, let's get baking. So we got the recipe. It is from Preppy Kitchen. I've got all the ingredients lined up here. It is such a simple recipe, so I thought that's why I would do this one. Also, I did do some research about the bowl tilt clearance. So I watched a video about how to adjust it to make sure that it is at the right place. So I'm going to put a dime in. I'll link the video down below, and I'm just going to do that. So apparently if the dime does not move, the attachment is too high. So all I have to do is just unplug, unlock, lift it up here, and I'm gonna take a screw to this and just adjust so that the attachment does go down enough so that the dime moves a slight bit as it goes around and not too much so that the beater is just not too close to the bowl. So just gonna work on that real quick.
Be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive looking in your eyes.
All right, so the shortbread are out of the oven. I'm excited to try it maybe a little later after dinner. I hope you enjoyed this KitchenAid unboxing video. It was one of the first things I would have added to my wedding registry, so thank you so much, Mom and Dad, for getting that for us. It's known as a must-have for the kitchen, so I'm excited to finally have one. Hopefully this one won't break. If you did like this video, don't forget to like and comment down below. Are you looking to buy the same version, or do you have a KitchenAid already? Tell me what color you have down below in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there.
Jokes, I'm not waiting. I'm having one now. Very good.